Hello everyone, here I'm going to show you how to make quick mockup in Photoshop from this one to this one, from start to this one. So by follow along with this tutorial, you will make this as one that I made in this tutorial. Thank you. Follow along with me, then you will see the magic of Photoshop. Thank you. So we start by selecting this background layer, and then we are creating we're selecting the rectangle tool. Then you make a selection from here, from here up to down. Then you make a stroke will be none, and fill color you will choose what you like. For me, I would like to take this one. No, this one is okay. And after this, we click OK. Then you close this property, and then we press Shift. Then you move around your cursor. Then you make the opacity of this rectangle so to look behind. Then you press OK. After this, come here and select this rectangle tools in the layer panel. Then you press Ctrl T. Then you make it clear so that you can see it. Remember, you have to lift this one up. You have to skip it. And by zone, you see whether you have been transform your design correctly. And after that, you can see that this one here on this side there is some small issue that you have to fix. Then you press Ctrl T again, and you fix it by bringing this on this side. Here it's okay, and if you see, you can see that there is no issue on this side, even on that side here. Okay, once you have been make everything clear, then you select also the rectangle tools while you are still selecting these rectangle tools, and then you click again Ctrl T and left click on your mouse. Then you select warp. After that, you have to make sure that this cycle, this curve here is matching to your design. Then you have to use this like this, and like this. That you have to make sure that to match with the curve. And what is okay, you click enter. After that, you see that you have to click on this opacity and bring back to 100. And then after this, you left click on this layer and you convert it to smart object. After convert it to smart object, you wanna go to, you hide this one and select the background layer and make it clear that you can see it here. After this, you select your quick selection tool. After selecting your quick selection tool, you can see here, you can here select the subject. It will automatically select this metal, and after making this one, you select this negative here by removing this upper part and down part here. So we come here and reduce this part, we remove it. So by increasing this size of brush, I use the close bracket. Make sure that your selection is very clear so that you will not miss anything here. Okay. After making the selection very well, even this part up here, you have to remove this part. Here is okay now. After this, you select this layer here and you make Ctrl J to group it, and after grouping it, you unhide the layer, and after that you make a adjustment layer of this one. You see, now it's moving up to this. So once you have done this one, you come select this layer and double click on it to open it in the new panel. Then you go to File, Place Embedded. Then you found your mockup that you have been created. Then you click Place and transform it very well to match with your design. So you have to make sure that it is well here you click Enter, then you save file and then close. So you see here it's now pasted very good. And after this, you select this layer and you change the blending mode from normal to linear band. You see now it comes to be alive like the one we started on. So after making this one okay, so we are going to make this background very clear so that it can match with the highlight of this bottle. And we are going to hide this layer and then select the background layer. So here we are going to use again the quick selection tool by selecting the subject again. After selecting the subject, we wanna go here on the attachment layer. Then we are going to make new solid color from the background layer, and you make the color that you want to be your background. Here mine is this one. After making this one, you are going to select this mask layer by pressing the Ctrl I. We inverted the color to be the background color, and after that you can unhide the layer of our mockup. And after this, you can double check on the solid color. Then we change the color from this purple to be blended like our bottle here. After making this one here, maybe you can use this color from here. Oh, that's okay, and we click OK. After changing the color, you have to make sure that your color is in contact with this bottle. So in order to make it very clear, we are going to change this blending mode from normal to linear linear band. Yeah, okay, it's linear band. And what is this one is over. So once this one is over, so we can come here in a background layer, select this background layer again, and after selecting this background layer, you can also Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Then you select this background layer, copy it, and you move it to the group. After moving in the group, not in the group, not in the on top of in the group up top of here. What is removed in this group? Then you select this background layer, and you come to filter, then camera raw filter. And what your camera raw filter is open. So you come on the basics, under the basics, then you reduce the exposure around the -3.15, maybe it's good, around 15, 35, no, 15 is good, 15, 55, it's good. And then you bring up this white so that the highlight will be pop in our design around 79. It's okay, 74, 79, 79, and this is you press OK. And once you see that the highlight of our bottle is now popping up, so we change this blending mode of this layer of background from normal to screen. Then by reducing this fill, you can see that around 50, 49 is okay. And now you can see that our label design, our design is okay, is the one that you have inserted. So by making everything you can group again, then you see this is the one we made, this is the one that we started. You see, it's the same. You can see this one or this one. You can see we are achieving the same result as the one that we have been saying in the beginning of this tutorial. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you learned some more on the label. For you can make subscribe for this on this channel so that you can know that you are enjoying the course. Thank you.